Hello besties, welcome back to Down for Glam. It's me, Gigi, and today I am doing the nails that I've been wearing for like 3 weeks. So yeah, this footage is like 3 weeks old, but I did a whole bunch of stuff like I told you before I came to my daughter's house, and I've been here a lot longer than I wanted to be, and that she wanted me to be. I'm sure we're you know, family and we love each other, but that doesn't mean that we can't get into each other's hair and, you know, what have you. So, I love my kid, but I wish I was home doing nails for you guys and for myself, frankly. I miss it so much. But what I'm doing now is mixing up some lavender because I don't have any lavender that I wanted to use. And so I'm just making the color that I want. And I'm also going to shear it out quite a bit using that marshmallow color from Laguna Moon. The purple here is a Laguna Moon color. I'm sorry, I do not remember what number it is. And I didn't think to write down any of the information. The white there is a Yogi white in the little pots. Again, I don't know the number, and I apologize. So tell me, how are you guys dealing with the COVID-19 pandemic? Are you working? Are you home? Are you stir crazy? If you are working, please keep yourself safe. We need your awesome in the world. Please keep not only yourself safe, but everyone else safe by keeping yourself safe. So it's so important that we are social distancing and using protective gear as much as possible. I know that there are lots of shortages, and this is going out for everyone that's working, not only the healthcare workers we need so much right now, but also the grocery workers and the farmers and the pharmacy workers and just everyone who's putting themselves at risk to keep this society going. So thank you guys so much for that. I'm painting these nails. We're going to encapsulate this, but I am not going to show you that part. I'm just going to show you me doing the marbling. I'm going to have 3 nails marbled with this sheer purple that we made, sheer lavender. And we're going to use some white, and we're going to use that same dark purple. So, I really miss so much doing videos for you guys. Now that was a little bit of acetone that I'm going to use for dispersing the white polish and the dark purple polish. Like I was saying, I do miss so much making videos for you guys, but I am doing a lot of reviews and things on my vlog channel while I'm here. So be sure, if you're not subscribed, if you like horror movies or fashion, I'm also doing Making the Cut over there. So if you like those types of things or just chatty vlogs, be sure to give me a subscribe over there, because there'll be content for you there as well. I could be mistaken, but I don't think I am. I don't think I have any more footage for you guys after this, as far as nail stuff goes. So I may come and have a little chat with you guys next week, or I may be going to get all my stuff because I'm going to be moving out here to Las Vegas soon, and so it looks like I'm probably not going to be going back to California for living purposes, which, guys, it's bittersweet for me. I miss my family, and I really want to be around my grandchildren as much as I can, but my heart is in California, and I love California so much. So this is going to be a bittersweet transition in my life for me. But I'm hoping that I'm going to be able to do some traveling before too long, and maybe find a place I love even more. So we'll see what my future holds, right? I don't want to set anything in stone. Oops, I went off of camera. Sorry about that. We are dispersing that white. I realized I was off camera and came back in a little. Now we're doing that thumb bit. Just gonna go ahead and make that look really marbled. And the thing about it is that you want to leave some parts a little darker and some parts a little lighter, because that way it gives it the illusion that it's going inside, because you're representing a stone, right? So it should look like it's going through the stone, not just laying on top of it. So that's why you disperse it like that. And here I am just putting some of that purple down, because we want a very layered dimensional effect with this nail. Kind of like when we do the galaxy nails, you want there to be, because like the same thing with a galaxy is with a stone, it's not all just laying in one layer. There's just all of these different amazing depths that you can see in these things. So that's why you want to represent that when you're working with these types of looks. And one thing, I've been doing a lot of this kind of thing lately, so when I get back to working, I really want to try doing some more linear things, and I've just been trying to get more and more inspired. We're going to come in real quick with another layer of that very sheer lavender. But there's definitely, I've been seeing so many pretty nails. I know so many of the nail artists are in their own home with their own things, and they're able to work. And so I've been seeing a lot of cool things. And of course I want another shot at that shadow French that I messed up. Ugh, grr. But you know, that's how you learn. And that's why I wanted to show you guys that I mess up new things all the time. And I didn't get to show you that with the 3D one, because I didn't really film my first couple of attempts at that. So I didn't really practice the shadow French at all before I went on ahead and did it for you guys. That's why it's a nail fail. But the nail fails are important. I think it's okay to have nail fails. I think it's wonderful. So are you guys watching anything cool? Do you guys have any awesome movies you want to recommend? Tell me how you are getting through the boredom. Are you bored? Or do you have projects that you've just been waiting to get to and you're working through those? I mean, let me know how you're handling this pandemic. Ugh. I am a little crazy because I'm not in my own house. And I love my daughter and she loves me. But, you know, after a while, any kind of company starts to get old, and being in somebody else's house is not, you know, your best situation. But we're all handling it very well, actually. I'm really proud of us. So, yay us. We're doing super good. And it's great to be around my granddaughter so much. That's the best. And my dog and my daughter's dog, oh, they are having so much fun. Oh my goodness, I filmed a little bit. I may cut something together to put it on the other channel. So again, go over there and subscribe if you want more content. Like I said, I don't think I have another video for you guys. So I will have to come and give you guys a little chat or something next week, just to keep this channel from being completely dark. It's driving me nuts that I've only had one channel a week for you guys the last few weeks. It's really not good. I could be wrong though. I'm going to go through the rest of my files and make sure if I've got any more videos, I'll put them up for you guys for sure. And I'll be all, guys, I was wrong. Here's another video. I hope that happens. I hope that happens. I seem to have lost one of the videos I made for you guys, so I'm going to have to recreate that because it was super cute. It was just a feather that I made, and I saw somebody else do it. I don't know who it was because I didn't get an artist's name from the video. Here we come with some top coat. And I'm going to do these plain nails first. I didn't show the encapsulation or polishing these nails because really it's just polishing nails, and it took 3 coats to get the color to be fully opaque. and you guys know what that looks like. So I just didn't feel like I needed to record that for y'all. But here we go with the marble nails, and I absolutely love, love, love how they came out. Let me know for sure if you guys like this set and if you'd wear it. Is it up your alley? Do you like the shape? I like the shape. I like the almond shape, but I'm actually feeling like I'm ready to go back to coffin on my next set. So, and I desperately need fills. And by the time, by the time I get to my stuff, I'm just going to take these off and do a fresh set. So you will definitely, that'll probably be the first video coming back. Oh my goodness, here's the thumb. I did not think to take any shots after, guys. I was in a hurry and I should have taken pictures of these nails. I did not. So there's a little reveal of me showing them off here in just a second. Here it comes, and I'm sorry, but that's all you're gonna get. There's no shots. So I hope you liked this set. I hope you liked this video. I hope you know how much I appreciate you and how much I am grateful that you came by today to watch this video. So I hope you are doing well, and we will see you very, very soon. Mwah. Bye-bye.